Welcome to this tutorial on how to install an OBS profile in 4 clicks. Before we come to OBS, the first step is to make sure that you have downloaded the folder itself for the OBS profile or preset from wherever you get it, maybe from Google Drive. For my students at Caleb Skills Academy, you most likely have gotten it from a Google Drive like this. Just click on here on the 3 dots here, then download it. Before you head to OBS again, check that you know where the folder has been saved. For me, it has been saved in my videos, inside CSA, and inside this is the folder here. So make sure that you know the folder that folder has been downloaded into. If it is in your download, know exactly where it is. Then you head to OBS. When you head to OBS, the first step, the first click is to click on profile. Now, because I'm recording now, it's not going to allow me to access the profile settings. That's locked the profile. So, but I've taken a couple of screenshots so that I can use it for the sake of this tutorial. So the first click on profile. When you click on profile, you will see this. You will see these options that will come. Then click import. That's the second click. Click on import. It's quite easy. Click on profile, click on import. When you click on import, then it will show you, it will ask you to select the folder that you've downloaded, please. Make sure that it is a folder that you've downloaded that you select, not just any other folder. The idea is that OBS itself is the one that will pick what it needs from that folder to install what it needs to install. So you really don't, you really just have to point OBS to the correct folder. This is the folder. So select the folder. When you click on the folder, that's the third click. Then you select the folder, click on this place for OBS to select the folder. That is all. When you are done with the whole stuff, just click back on profile and then you will see the list of all the profiles that you have. When you click back on profile now, you can select, you will see the list. These are all the profiles that I have imported into my OBS. If you have more, it will show it like this. You can also rename that profile that you just installed or imported, because if you don't want the name that the person has used to save it, maybe you want a kind of name that you can easily remember, you can just rename it here. You can remove it, or you can as well export your own settings if you want to export. All right, so that's about that for now. Thank you.